Is your Samsung TV showing a blue tint? Don't worry, I've got you covered with 5 reliable methods to fix it. Step 1. Check the picture settings. Sometimes, the blue tint can be caused by incorrect picture settings. Go to the TV settings menu, select Picture, and then Color. Adjust the color temperature to a warmer setting to balance out the blue tint. Step 2. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause display issues. Go to Settings, Support Software Update, and ensure your TV has the latest firmware installed. This can fix bugs causing the blue tint. Step 3. Reset picture settings. If adjusting the color doesn't work, try resetting the picture settings to default. This can correct any accidental changes. Navigate to Settings, Picture Expert Settings, Reset Picture. Step 4. Check the HDMI cables. A faulty HDMI cable can affect color output. Ensure all HDMI cables are securely connected and try switching the cables to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Run a picture test. Samsung TVs have a built-in diagnostic tool to identify screen problems. Go to Settings, Support Self-Diagnosis Picture Test. Follow the prompts to check if the blue tint appears during the test.